That's awesome. Oh my.
How's it going, Kevin?
Hi, Kevin.
How's it going?
How are you?
Great. Glad to be here.
Yeah? How long was the drive?
How are you?
Good.
Oh, not bad.
It's like 8 hours the first day, and I guess 6 hours, 7 hours the next day, so it's not too bad.
Cool.
We're stayed over at that Calico, ghost town. They have a ghost town. They have a campground right there. Calico, yeah. So
Cool.
that was cool.
Sounding pretty good.
Still runs.
Yeah. How long did you get the permit for?
14 days.
14 days.
14.
Oh my God.
It's been too long.
I know.
Yep, this thing's been in dry dock for 5 months. But it's better than it was than it went.
That's funny. Oh, he's got an e-bike.
Yeah.
Okay, our friends Kevin's from the tribe are here, taking us into the camp at Pilot Knob.
LTVA.
So excited.
You will arrive at your destination.
Busy out here.
And Jim and Deb is here too. That's awesome.
It's not that crowded out here.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the tribe is there. That's awesome. Oh my God, that's awesome. Who else? Oh, the tutor's here too. Sharon Bobby. Oh.
Until the 20th. I
Oh,
think.
got it.
What's the date today? Is the 18th?
Yeah. Oh my God, they all wait. What? They're so awesome.
You recording?
Yep.
It's a red flag.
Yep. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Isn't it awesome? Oh my God. Yep. No. Is that Kim Darrow? Yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah, everybody's here. Oh wow, they're all out
Where they
here.
want us.
Yeah. Did they tell us? I don't know where they want us.
That's Shirley standing.
Oh, Sharon's there too. Right there. Oh my God. That's so awesome.
That's a Jim and Deb's right there.
Yeah. And Dawn is there too. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's awesome. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God.
I don't know where they want us.
Hi Sharon. Oh my God. How are you, honey?
I'm good. How are
Give me a
you?
hug. Oh God.
Hey, Scotty.
Hi Sharon. Oh
How
my
are you?
goodness. Oh my God. Good to see you all. I'm so excited to see you all.
Howdy.
Hey, yeah.
Tired of driving?
No, we're just
No?
excited.
No?
Yeah,
Too long.
that's awesome. Everybody's here.
Way too long.
Oh, it's been too long. Too long.
How's it going? What a nice weather here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's been really nice.
good.
Nighttime lows are in the 50s and
You know.
it's great sleeping weather. It's awesome. Is that on?
Yeah. He's doing all the editing for me.
So,
Don't
pick
work.
a spot. You got plenty of places.
Yeah,
Everybody's here.
Last week, where you could park over on this side of the road.
yeah, there's a
That's-
spot.
No, it's the best
I
one.
know.
Get your spot, get set
Yeah.
up, and
Yeah.
take it from there.
That's good.
Okay.
Let's
Alrighty.
go down over there.
GoPro, stop recording.